Ratzel here in beautiful Las Vegas. We are here at the SEMA show with Zone Off-Road. We have Jennifer Barrow over here. Jennifer, you guys got some great new exciting things going on. Tell me a little bit about Zone here for this year.
We do. We're totally pumped about our new look. We're launching a new logo. And along with that, we have the new Fox 2.0 Adventure Shocks that are coming out. And a lot of new products expected in 2020.
Well, we see your kits on the trail. We see them on the road. We see them pretty much everywhere. Tell me about some of the new products you guys have coming out this year.
Absolutely. We've got a lot of exciting things going on. We have a new 3.5 Adventure Series kits coming out for the GM trucks, all the way up to full-blown kits for the Super Duty and Dodge Rams.
We're seeing Fox shocks all over SEMA, and especially on a lot of your builds. Tell us about your partnership with them.
We're very excited about partnering with Fox on the new 2.0 Adventure Series shocks. They are now a new option for all of our lift kits, so a lot of new exciting things to come.
So many great products. Thanks for the little tour, what you have going on, but where could people at home actually check out your product line?
Yeah, we have dealers all over the country, and you can locate your dealer at zoneoffroad.com.
All right, well, thanks again for having us out. Stick around because we have more product highlights from right here at the SEMA show.